Good morning, one and all. I'm Soumya B. I want to tell about my experience. When I was 12, they said you have still 2 more years to decide your career. When I was 13, they said you have 1 year to go and it's alright. But well, now I'm 14 and they say it's now. But I'm confused. All these years the fixed and definite syllabus was chosen for me and now it's my turn to choose. I have feared this moment for 3 years since my sister had to choose her career. What a brainstorming session it was. She always cried and she didn't even go to the movies with us. But I think it is good because through the tough times she found her happy times. And now here it is, all the wait is over and the gates to either hell or heaven lie before me. I don't know what I want to do, but there are two questions always nagging me in the mind for every waking hour. What I want to be and what I need to be. Should I take the job I'll enjoy and make an impact with, or the job that will make me kick back and relax, but also make me regret that I didn't do the job I was interested in? Sometimes what I want to be is what I need to be. That is my code, because what I need is not only the money, but also some popularity, of course, and also some people looking up at me, and also some people saying I'll be the next Soumya. My life was full of advices. Some were saying be an IIT, do a CA, be an IPS. But whenever I heard those advices, I had an urge to laugh. Nowhere near to what I wanted to be. Many parents out there want to provide their children with what they couldn't get, which is noble, by the way. I respect my parents and their choices, but it's my career and choosing it is my right. Nowadays there are two careers which people consider the most important. BPC for doctors and MPC for engineer. But I don't want to kill my patients or build weak buildings because I'm not interested in it. I'm interested in writing, but is that the right choice? Is writing a career? Yes, I think so, but other people might think otherwise. But the opinion I value most is my parents. And my mother claims that it is good, but also that I should opt it as a hobby and be an engineer. An engineer publishing a thriller novel, not my style. For years I have dreamt of being a writer and also illustrating my own cover and whatnot. But 10 years from now I don't want to look back and wonder what things I did which were exciting. But for now I'll become a writer. My mom asked me to study hard and go abroad. But of course I'll go abroad if I become a famous author, for book signing. For now I'll just follow the path stitched by fate for me. And if I'm wrong, I'll get back up. And if God tries to break my courage, He'll have a tough time doing it. Because even if I have fears, courage is not the absence of fear. Thank you.